So in this Realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to hide foreclosure listings here on the Realtor.com mobile application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Realtor.com. Once that is done, find an area of your choice. So for this demonstration, I have New York, New York. But this obviously works for whatever area that you're looking for houses in. Next thing you have to do is to go down to the bottom left, press on the search button, then go to the top left and press on filters. Once you're on the filters page, just scroll down a little bit until you come across these options right here: home size, lot size, etc. Go down to where it says hide foreclosures, and as of right now it actually is turned off. So what this will actually do now is, if you turn it back on, all the listings that are considered foreclosures here on Realtor.com will now be taken away. Once that is done, just go to the bottom right, press on see homes, and now your search will be refined into only listings that are not foreclosed houses. So all the foreclosures are now off because of the filter that you just turned on. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to hide foreclosure listings here on Realtor.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.